Okay, so new trainees will be clicking on everywhere here, and then what you do is you see these folders. The folder that says Worksite has qualified leads and Sales Genie leads. If you click on the Sales Genie leads, it'll pull up all of the Sales Genie leads. Now, a lot of you have been making changes another way, and I'm going to tell you that if you do it this way, it's a lot easier. So you look at where you are in the map. Now, I've got too many pulled up to make changes on, but let's assume that you have less. Scroll down. Right here is where you can change them from new to qualified or unqualified. So let's make this first one qualified. You have to click the check mark to do that. You can also edit right here the number of employees, so let's change it to 30 instead of 33, because that's what they said on the phone. Click right here, you can change the company name. Now if I need to make it unqualified, I have to pick a disposition reason first, and let's say he told me that everybody is gone and they only have 2 people left. So once I change it for a disposition reason, then I can change it to unqualified and click the check mark. So that all occurs right here. So let's make that one qualified and the other one unqualified, because I'm going to show you why you should be doing it this way. Now the third thing that can happen is they can change the name. So you can change everything else, the phone number, the number of employees, everything else, including the address from the screen. Now, if you want to change the name, you have to click into the leads, and then you have to click on it and click edit. On the other hand, if you're not sure they have the right information, you can click right here under research and type the new name here. So that you don't forget while you're talking, and then you can go in and change it. Now there's a reason that we like to do the qualifieds and unqualifieds here, and I'm going to show you why it's important to do them that way. Not only can you make more phone calls quicker because everything is on one screen, you can also look at your dashboard. So when you click on this button for dashboard and you refresh your dashboard, instead of counting every week, you can actually see what it is that you've done work-wise. So once it refreshes, you'll see the number of qualified leads will be 1, and then there'll be unqualified leads. So there's 1 qualified lead right here already done. And then further down, you'll see the number of unqualified leads and the disposition reason right here. So you can total up how many phone calls you've made, whether that's been successful or not, but you can also total up the number of qualified leads according to this program without having to count them, and then you and your managers will be on the same page. Now I know that a lot of you had to start from paper because you didn't have your employee list yet, or your login to Epic yet. So when you go to do your Sales Genie leads, which again, I'm clicking on Sales Genie leads, it'll pull them all up. When you go to do that, the problem is you already had some and you don't want to redo them. So let's say the company's name was Believe in Abilities. You can use this search bar right here, and as you type it in, it'll bring up the company, and then you can edit with the information that you did on that paper. Now some of you are concerned that that only pulls from page 1. You can pull from any page that way. So let's see, quality terminals. I'm going to go back to page 1 and click in the search bar, quality terminals. Notice how it brought it up from any page that was on here. So this is from a further page as well. So what I can do is I can take what I've done on paper and I can put it into this program so that I can route it easier. All right, good luck.